Okay, so today we're going to be going through some SERD questions. What I want you to do is pause the video, try the question, and then I will go through the answer with you and where the marks come from. So yeah, pause the video, give it a go. Okay, I've assumed you've paused it now, so I'm going to just answer it. So root 3 times root 27 minus root 3 in the bracket is equal to root 3 times root 27 minus root 3 times root 3, which is equal to square root of 3 times 27. That's a rule of indices, you can do that step. Minus root 3 squared. So 3 times 27 is equal to 81. So we have root 81 minus root 3 squared. Root 3 squared is just 3. So let's bring the step over here. So we have root 81 minus root 3 squared. Root 3 squared is 3. Root 81 is equal to 9 times 9, which is 9 squared. The square root of 9 squared is 9, which is equal to 6. So first answer is 6. So work out the value of B over AC. This is equal to root 15 root 2 times root 30 is equal to root 15 over the square root of 2 times 30. And this is equal to root 15, 2 times 30 is 60. So now we look at root 60, that is equal to the square root of 4 times 15, which is equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 15. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. You can't simplify root 15, it's irrational. So 2 times root 15. So therefore, 2 root 15. Therefore, this root 15 over root 60 is equal to root 15 over 2 times root 15, which is equal to 1 over 2 because the root 15s cancel. So now we need to ration. Okay, again, pause the video, give it your best shot, and I'll go through the answers. Oh yeah, I didn't give you the working out marks here. So there would be 1 mark for simplifying it down to this, and then there'll be 1 mark for the right answer, which gives you 2. For B, it's 3 marks. So there'll be 1 mark for this step, 1 mark for this step, and or simplifying it down to 2 root 15, and there's 1 mark for the right answer. That will give you 3 marks. So yeah, now we're on the next question. Pause the video, give it your best shot, and I will go through it in a moment. Right, let's go for it. So to rationalise, we need to multiply the top and the bottom by root 3. This is equal to then 12 root 3 over 7 root 3 times root 3, which is equal to 12 root 3 over 7 times root 3 squared. Again, similar to the last one, root 3 squared is just equal to 3. So what we have here now is 12 root 3 over 7 times 3, to 12 root 3 over 21. This can be simplified by dividing it by 4 over 4, because, 3, because 12 and 21 are both multiples of 3. This is then 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 over 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. And there you are, that's the right answer. So where do the marks come from? 1 mark for getting to this step, 1 mark for the right answer. So I need to expand and simplify this. Pause the video, and then once you're done, I'll go through the answer. Okay, let's go for it. So, root 7 minus root 3 all squared is equal to root 7 minus root 3 multiplied by root 7 minus root 3. And this is equal to root 7 times root 7 times root 7 times minus root 3, so that would be, minus root 7 times root 3, let's just do that for you. And now we need to do minus root 3 times root 7, that should be a minus root 3 times root 7, and then we're going to do minus root 3 times minus root 3 is equal to plus root 3 times root 3. So this is equal to root 7 squared. This minus 7 times root 3 is equal to 7 times 3 is equal to minus root 21. So minus root 21. This is exactly the same. This will be minus root 21. Minus root 21 plus root 3 squared, which is equal to root 7 squared minus 221 plus root 3 squared. Okay, so root 7 squared is equal to 7 minus 2 root 21. Root 3 squared is equal to 3. This, therefore, is equal to 10 minus 2 root 21. So where do the marks come from? Yeah, 1 mark for the expansion, 1 mark for the correct answer. Quite easy, right? Again, pause the video, give it your best shot, and I will go through the answer. Okay, so this one's a bit challenging based on the fact that you've got this root 32, but root 32 is equal to 2 times 16. So root 2 times 16 is equal to root 16 times root 2. Root 16 is equal to 4, because 4 squared is equal to 16. So this is therefore 4, sorry, not 4, oh it is 4, yes, 4 root 2. So we go back to the original question. This then becomes 10 minus root 32 is equal to minus 4 root 2 over root 2. So what we need to do is we need to multiply the top, the numerator and the denominator by root 2, which is equal to 10 minus 4 root 2 times root 2, root 2 squared, which is equal to 10 root 2 minus 4 root 2 times root 2, which is root 2 squared, and root 2 squared is equal to 2. It's equal to 10 root 2 minus 4 times 2, minus 8 over 2, which is equal to, I'm going to do it in the form of a plus b root 2 now, which is minus 8 over 2 plus 10 root 2 over 2. And again, this is therefore minus 8 divided by 2 is minus 4, 10 divided by 2 is 5 times root 2, so plus 5 root 2. Now we have the form a plus b root 2. A is equal to minus 4, b is equal to 5. So, where do the marks come from here? There'll be 1 mark for realising root 32 is equal to 4 root 2. There'll be 1 mark for the rationalisation, and there'll be 1 mark for both of the right answers. So, pause the question, try it, and I will go through the answers. So, you're back? Cool. I'm going to start with rationalising C and D. So let's start with C. So C is equal to 9 over 2 root y. To rationalise this, I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by root y, which is equal to 9 root y over 2 root y squared, which is equal to 9 root y over 2 times root y squared is equal to 2y. That's rationalised. I'm going to rationalise d. It's equal to 4 over root y. I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by root y over root y. And this is equal to 4 root y over root y squared, which is equal to 4 root y squared, it's just y. So we do c multiplied by d, and this is equal to 9 root y over 2y multiplied by 4 root y over y, which is equal to 9 times 4 is 36 root y squared, because that's root y multiplied by root y, all over 2y squared, which is equal to 36, root y squared is y, over 2y squared. This y cancels with the square, and 36 divided by 2 is 18. Where did the marks come from? 1 mark for rationalising C, 1 mark for rationalising D, 1 mark for the correct answer. Cool. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you would like me to cover next, or if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Cool.